Hi everyone, Nigel Saunders here. I am happy to announce that I'll be doing a series of summer bonsai workshops at Tropical Expressions in Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. The first workshop will be a tiger bark ficus workshop and it'll be open to 5 people. Each workshop will deal with a specific tree species, so if you can't make the first workshop, there'll be plenty more throughout the summer. The workshop will begin at 5 p.m. where you can have a private tour of the greenhouses at Tropical Expressions, do some shopping, meet your fellow classmates, and me, the instructor. And then at 5:45, we'll all get together and you can pick out your tree and your pot, and the workshop will begin. In the workshop, we'll be discussing styling ideas for your tiger bark ficus bonsai and how to develop it into the future. We'll be mixing up our own bonsai soil, root pruning the trees, styling the top of them, and I'll talk about aftercare to make sure your tree has a long and healthy life. You can be any skill level from a beginner right up to an expert. I think everyone will learn something from the workshop. I think the workshops will be a nice place to meet fellow bonsai enthusiasts and build a fantastic bonsai community. Some of the future ideas for workshops are forest plantings and succulent bonsai. So if you follow Tropical Expressions social media, they'll announce future workshops as they develop. I'm really looking forward to the Tropical Expressions workshops this year. I'll put links in the description below where you can sign up for a workshop, and I hope to see you there.